Hi, I'm Thomas Watling. Welcome to the Deloitte stand at IoT Solutions World Congress. We're showcasing here, it's a bit of a marketing demo really. We did some work with a client out in the US. We helped them sort of digitize their factories, so collecting data on machines they'd never collected data before, doing the analytics to look at efficiency of those machines. So they were a company that looked at sort of liquids and chemical production, and they had challenges around consistency of mixtures and how that impacted the efficiency of their processes. So we helped them on that, and then we started looking, and I know it's a bit of a buzzword, but actually at sort of maintenance downtime, how you optimize that schedule, and fundamentally it's predictive maintenance. And then finally really the health and safety of the workers in that space and how you can communicate to those workers when they do positive things and when they do negative things in your whole process. And it's quite an exciting concept to talk about, and we found people sometimes need, I guess, a bit of help imagining what that future looks like and how they can get there. So we built this augmented reality demo, low battery at the minute, but it's on the App Store. It's called sort of Virtual Factory by Deloitte, and you have a target image. It uses PTC's Vuforia platform, and you can tour around the factory. You can see the use cases we did in that instance, and you can read more about it. And there's a few sort of hidden Easter eggs. And then I guess for the rest of our stand, Deloitte is a broad organisation, and for us, IoT is not this narrow sensor hardware platform analytics piece. Actually, it's just digital. It's the internet. You know, digital used to be this big. People have done multi-year digital transformation programs, and they've got to be what they thought was the edge. And actually, Internet of Things has simply grown that. Digital is more pervasive. It is in more places, and so we need to help people take the characteristics of digital, be it that always on, that customer centricity, that data-driven analytics, that ever-evolving, that ability to do prototyping, that ability to experiment. We need to take that and we need to do it more. We need to do it more in factories, in industrial settings where there's a different risk profile. We need to do it in commercial spaces like airports and retail and conferences themselves. And really it's about helping clients understand that digital has grown. And hopefully on our stand we've embodied that a bit. We've got cameras from a startup doing flow analytics around our stands, so we know the number of people who visited, we know where they visited, we can compare that to last year when we did the same. We've got emotion sensing cameras on a game, so we take the ducks and we've got a bit of a game going on, seeing if we've been exciting people. And we've got another camera that's looking at people who are engaging with content their gaze detection with our content, so we know what content was successful, what content maybe should be improved for tomorrow at the conference, and that's our stand.